some big old mullet here. Get them like this. We got our 2-ounce pyramid weight. Now we're gonna throw them out. And now we wait. And then while we wait for him to sink and get bit, we're going to check our other pole. Always check your pole about every 20, 15 minutes. I'd say 15 minutes is safe. Looks like I got a big fish right now. I don't know what it is. That was quick. I've been here like 10 minutes. I'm trying this out on my new ANGLERBASICS GOTURE catfish rod. They were kind enough to send me this and wanted me to make a video for the viewers and show you guys just how awesome this rod is. Oh, there he goes again. I should have got a reel with a bait clicker on it. Oh, we're trying to put Facebook Live on. Come on, big boy. I just want to see. Looks like it might be a red. Lord, I hope it's not. Oh, it's a ray. That sucks. Is it a ray? Oh yeah, it's a big old ray. Stop, stop, stop. Just chill, man. I am here to help you. Look at this big man right here. Look at this big man. Oh yeah, I've caught one of these before. They're pretty chill. They're pretty chill. Now all we gotta do is get the pliers and get the hook out of them. If you guys want a good rod, this thing's about 9 to 11 feet. I can't remember, but GOTURE off Amazon sent me this rod. It's spelled G-O-T-U-R-E. It's Catfish rod, and I use it for my. Hopefully they like stingrays. But I mean, a big fish, it'll demonstrate, you know, the load, the capacity, and how good of a rod it is. So I think a stingray can manage that too. But yeah, they sent me this rod and got some live bait. I'm here at the mouth of this creek here, and I'm just waiting on some big ones to bite. I've caught 2 stingrays. Hopefully I can get me a bull red or something worth actually showing to the camera. I don't really care for rays or like to count them. So see if old big boy budges over here. Oh, here we go. Oh. Do I got him? Yep, I got him. Oh. Oh. Get the GoPro going. It's probably another stingray. I wouldn't get too excited. He's running right at me. I can't keep up with him with this little reel. Oh, he's going under the boat. Oh yeah, he's probably a stingray. Where is he at? He's right under me. With stingrays, whenever they want to hang out on the bottom, all you gotta do is pull up on them really hard and just hold it, and they'll start moving. There we go. It's coming up now. Let's get you on the deck. I'm surprised my line's not breaking. Oh, Jesus! You big old boy. Oh, I can hear that barb scraping across my deck. I'm trying not to get stung here. Oh, you hear that? Can you hear the barb? This big boy right here, man. Let's get you out of my boat, please. Rod. Oh, there we go. All right, well, I caught one on the live, so that's cool. We got a boat coming in here. I got one more live mullet. All right, that should be enough with as much daylight as I have left. And probably phone battery. I wonder if my trolling motor is really loud. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is probably a stingray. Probably a stingray. Oh, there's a bad boy right here. Oh, he's running at me. I'm gonna have to get up for this one. Oh, he pulls so good. Get on up here, big boy. I think he's right by me. Is he right by me? What is that? What is that in the water? Oh, he's running under. I don't feel him flapping or anything. Oh yeah, another stingray. Hey, big man, what's up? Jesus, you're a big boy. There we go. Got the hook out. Let's send our buddy back to the water so we can swim another day. Is there a stingray guy in SpongeBob? Can't remember. Go. All right. Just flip over. There you go. Good job. All right. Now I got two poles out. Let's see if I got anything on this pole out here. Doesn't feel like it. I might have to stop this broadcast. Hopefully there's a fish out here so I can